Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to flip this small little kids dresser. It is currently white and has a ton of scratches and it's kind of a bit dirty. And so I'm gonna completely change it and paint it all black because I need to use up some of this paint that I accidentally got by mistake. It's chalkboard paint, but I don't need chalkboard paint and I never use chalkboard paint. So I'm gonna use it on this desk and then put a top coat on it, as well as some really cute new hardware that I found at Hobby Lobby. I usually don't get new hardware because it makes the price of the piece have to go way up, and people don't always like to pay top dollar for pieces of furniture, and especially if it's used. And so this piece is kind of just more for fun, and I'm gonna ask for a kind of expensive price on it. Kind of. I mean, it's definitely worth what they're paying, but most people don't like to pay top dollar, like I said. So here's what it is. I'll take some better before video for you, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm back out in the shop another day. I've already gotten everything wiped down for the dresser as well as sanded down so that we can start painting, because I will be painting all of the drawers and the base. I usually use just around 100 to 150 grit sandpaper to rough it up enough for painting, and then I obviously wipe it all back down, let it dry, and we're gonna start painting. So let me tell you guys what paint I'm using. So this is the paint that I accidentally got, chalkboard. It literally says chalkboard paint. How did I miss that? I think I was probably trying to decide between a few of them, and I just was okay, I'm done trying, and I'm just gonna grab the blackest one I find and grab it. And so that's why I saw black down here, but it's actually chalkboard paint. So anyways, we're gonna use this, and then I'm gonna put a top coat over it eventually, which will be that water-based Minwax clear coat, which is in a satin finish. But let's get to painting. Now I'm just gonna take a quick dinner break at a taco place in Byron, Minnesota. I just thought I'd throw these in here because a lot of people don't realize that it's multiple days that I put into these furniture projects with multiple hours, and a lot of things happen in between as well. Okay, so I finally put the third coat on the dresser drawers. Here's the other one up here. And then also the base. It's still drying, so it looks a little messy. But next, I'm gonna go grab the hardware that I'm gonna obviously put on the drawers. And I gotta wait till it's completely dry, of course, but I'll show you what they look like. They're the cutest little hardware handles I've seen for like a little kid's room. I'm super excited to show you guys. So obviously I got these at Hobby Lobby, like the bag says. Look at these. How cute. And I thought it could be either for a girl's room or a little boy's room. Like boys like insects, but as girls can like insects too. Also dragonflies are kind of cute. So yeah, I got these for black. It's gonna be so cute. I really think the black and like brass or gold looking colors look really nice together. So again, I'm waiting for this to all dry. And then we can add these and it's pretty much done. I'm so excited. So here's a really quick look of what it's practically going to look like. There's a few touch-ups and underneath the top part I need to fix up, and then as you can see, it's really dusty. So I need to wipe it down before I take images again. But again, here's the hardware. It looks so messy right now. Trust me, once I wipe it down, it'll look so much better. So here is the final project completed. And before you go, I just wanted to give one quick little plug for Restored by Ali Furniture and Restored by Ali Thrift Instagram accounts. I recently created both of these accounts, mainly so that I can focus on thrifting stuff on the thrift one and furniture on the other one. And if you want to go ahead and follow them, there will solely be just furniture on furniture and just thrifting stuff on thrift. So that way you don't have to see any of the behind the scenes or anything that you don't want to see on my Restored by Ali. And if you want to see all of it, follow all of them. So again, Restored by Ali Furniture and Restored by Ali Thrift on Instagram. Another quick plug for a vintage vendor show coming up in Stewartville, Minnesota, Saturday, May 18th and Sunday, May 19th. I will be a part of it, but there'll also be a lot of other vintage vendors, crafty vendors, as well as it's right outside a big antique mall. So you get the best of both worlds. You get to go thrift through a very well-known antique mall, as well as come to a vendor show, meet cool people, see cool things. I hope you guys come. I will have my furniture there, my thrifting stuff there, and then some other smaller things that I'm going to collaborate with a certain few people. But yes, it's going to be exciting. You should come. Again, Stewartville, Minnesota, the antique mall there. Please come and see me.